Hi, this time we are going to talk about cover crops, a secret weapon in making our soil healthy for our plants. Let's go. In this corner, I planted string beans and sponge gourd, but I'm not satisfied how they look. They're not healthy, they're lonely, and I never harvested them. That's bad. There are reasons why this happens to our vegetables. And as a gardener, we have to check the condition of the soil because the soil is the foundation of life in the garden. And as you can see, it's dry, it's sandy, and there's no moisture. I can say that this is a dead soil. It's a bad soil. And we can fix this actually without breaking the bank. Now, what can we use? That's the question. Here it is now. I planted cover crops to solve the problem. And let's look if something improved in the condition of the soil. By the color, there is moisture. It is still sandy, but eventually it will improve with the help of these cover crops. I planted cassava and added some taro again, and let's look what we have here. Below this cassava we have sweet potatoes. So these cover crops are actually helpful because they release nutrients to the soil, and that will invite organisms, okay, like ants, microbes, and fungi, and whatever life in the soil. So they will stay here. So I also dump wood dust and my rabbit's manure to help invite more organisms to stay here. And let's take a look closer. hmm So there's moisture already, and that's good. That's a good sign that the soil is improving with the help of these cover crops. I can see ants crawling, and that's a good sign. Okay. Oh, did you see that? That's quick. There's a black insect. That was quick. Anyway, it's gone. It's gone. It's not there anymore. Okay. And I have put some stem of banana here that I chop and drop. Whoa, 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 whoa. What is that? Oh, we have a friend here. Wake up, my friend. So there's a Todd sleeping. That's good. So it's a good sign that the soil is inviting organisms to stay here, and these organisms will help the soil to bring back the life it has. So that's the importance of using cover crops. Let nature do the work. You don't have to spend a lot of money to improve the condition of your soil. Cover crops can do. That is all for today. And if you have a problem with the quality of your soil, you don't have to worry. You just have to plant cover crops. Just do it the natural way. You don't need to use artificial fertilizers. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.